Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. In this lesson, I'm going to teach you guys how to do a basic quiz game in Java, addition quiz game. So it randomly asks you add these numbers and give me the answer. So yeah, it's basically like that. So yeah, your goal is to basically get the correct answer, and it'll give you a random question every time you start the code. So without further ado, let's get started. So first we will go here and type in the third line import java.util dot and then this. And we'll put this here. Okay. Now we'll move this public class to line 5 and move this under the I, and we're good to go. So we'll first start off our code by typing scanner. Okay, now we'll type equals new scanner system dot in with a semicolon at the end. Then we'll do rand equals new random with uppercase here. Then we'll do this. Wait, let me fix this. Okay. Okay, now let's go to the next one. In line 10, we'll type int a equals rand dot next int, and here we'll type a range for for example, as it's two random numbers, we want to type the range for the first and second number. I'll just go with 200, but usually the higher the number, the more difficult it will be because it will give you higher numbers. But for the sake of this lesson, let's just do 200 plus 1 with a semicolon here, and we'll copy this code here and paste it here. And now the only thing I want to change is change this to int b, because we'll be doing two numbers. Okay, now we'll do int correct equals a plus b. So this code will calculate the correct answer for us and keep it by itself. Okay, now in this line we'll do system dot out dot print ln, and then we'll type here what is, and then we'll put this here, and in here we'll type what is plus a plus here, and then we'll do plus, and then we'll do this here, and then we'll do plus b plus this, and we'll put a question mark here, and we'll end it off with a semicolon, and then we'll do int guess equals scanner dot next int. Okay, now we'll skip line 16 and go to line 17. Now we'll do if guess equals 2 equals correct. Now we'll put this here. Then we'll type system dot out dot println, and then we'll do correct. Nice job. And we'll put a little smiley face here. And I'll put a semicolon. And then here, in the next part, we'll move this here. Hold on. And then here, we'll put a space and type else. System dot out dot println. Sorry, the answer was, and then we'll put this here, and then we'll type plus correct, which will type the correct answer for us. Okay, now here, we move that here, yeah, and let's go to line 23. And here we'll type scanner dot close, which will end the code here. Don't forget your semicolon. And we're good to go. Let's run the code. Click OK. And I already like tested this code before recording, so you guys might have already been like doing these lessons before, so if like the last project comes up, just like select all of them, right click, click run as one Java application, and there you go. Now it should display something like this. So it says what is 129 plus 144, and if you guys can like do this like quick math, you should know that the answer is like around 273, I think, if I'm not mistaken. And yes, that was the answer. And this project is both a fun project to do, and it can also like improve your coding and your math a little. So it's a fun mix of both. Alright. Now next up, let's do another one just to show you guys. And this one should be 289. And there. So for this, let me just show you guys like what I mean. So you guys can increase the difficulty by making the range bigger. And just watch this. It just asks like something like this. So I don't have time to like calculate this right now, so I don't want to waste your guys' time. So yeah, I just want to show you guys like you can change the difficulty with the numbers. And if you want to like go insane and add like or like add into like remove the integers, you can like do the float or decimal things, but I'm not gonna get into that today. We're just gonna stick with the integers here. So yeah, so I guess that is basically it for today's lesson. Thank you guys so much for watching this lesson. If you enjoyed this lesson, please share this with your friends, like the video, and subscribe to my channel for more educational content and fun stuff. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in our next lesson. Have a great day.